Hello, my name is Evren, and today we are gonna study Turkish language together. We already started learning. If you watch my first video, we already know that in Turkish language there are 29 letters, and Turkish language is using Latin alphabet, right? And there are 8 vowels. They are so much important for us. We already studied 2 of them, 2 vowels, including 2 vowels, 6 letters we studied. And today we are going to continue learning other ones, how we can pronounce them. And there will be totally 3 videos about these letters. And after that we will understand everything, how we pronounce them. Okay, so let's continue. And in first video we already learned the letter E. Therefore I will continue the letter F. So F, factory. How you pronounce factory in English? So this is same. F, FABRİKA, FABRİKA, FABRİKA, F, FABRİKA. And FABRİKA means factory. So easy, right? Let's continue. G, G. How you pronounce the word good in English? Good, G. So this is same. Gazete, G, Gazete, G, Gazete. And gazete means newspaper in Turkish. Let's continue. Yumuşak G, yumuşak G. So translation will be something like light G, yumuşak G. Never ever we read this letter. We write, but we never read. So why we are using this letter? I told you that there are 8 vowels in Turkish language. So before soft G, yumuşak G, there is always a vowel. Always. And just what we need to do is that we are gonna read that vowel a little bit longer than normal. So this is what we are gonna do. And that's all. We are never gonna read this letter. Just we will read the letter before that a little bit longer. For example, A, we already know. And the next one yumuşak G, and the next one A, the next one Ç. So how we will read? AÇ, AÇ, AÇ. So the first A is a little bit longer. AÇ, AÇ. Or the next word, eğitim, eğitim, eğitim. So I'm reading the letter E vowel a little bit longer than normal. E, eğitim, eğitim, eğitim, E. So I'm not reading yumuşak G. Okay? And ağaç means tree in English. Let's continue. He. You have the same word. You say age. So we say he. How you pronounce the word HOKEY? Same. HOKEY. HOKEY. HOKEY. HOKEY. HOKEY. HOKEY. He. And HOKEY means hockey. Okay? I. I. I. İşik. I. How you pronounce the word player? Player. So you use the same sound. Player. I. I. So we have a vowel. This is a vowel. I. It's important. There is no point above it. So uppercase, lowercase, without any point at all. It's always like that. I. And it's a vowel. And the next one is I. I. By the way, I, ışık. Işık means light. And now I. I. So I and I. How we write? They are almost similar. Just one has point. One doesn't have any point at all. This is the difference. Without any point, I. With point, I. I is also a vowel. Okay? And how we pronounce? Inside, insan. İnsan. İnsan. In. Okay? And insan means person. Let's continue. J. J. You don't have this letter in English, but you pronounce this letter in English. For example, how you pronounce the word treasure? Treasure. Treasure. Right? So that sound, J sound, in Turkish is a letter. It's a consonant. JAKUZİ. JAKUZİ. jacuzzi. This is not J, this is J, okay? And jacuzzi means jacuzzi, okay? Let's continue. K. So it's same K. For example, in English, the most famous Turkish word, kebab, right? So it's K. In Turkish, it is kebap, okay? And kebab means kebab. Let's continue. Le. So same. How you pronounce the word lamp? Same. Lamba, le, lamba. And lamba means lamp. Me. Same in English. Me. For example, macaroni. Me. Makarna. How you pronounce macaroni? And makarna means macaroni. Let's continue. The next one is ne. How you pronounce the word Noel in English? Same. Noel. We also pronounce like that. Noel. Ne. Okay? And Noel means, you already know what does it mean. The next one, O. O is a vowel. Okay? How you pronounce the word organ? So this is for example, the best example that we can see. In Turkish, we always read how we write, except yumuşak G, soft G, because we never read that letter. So, except that one, we always read how we write. In English, you write O-R-G-A-N. So, but you read like organ, right? But in Turkish, it will be organ, because that letter is A. So therefore, I have to pronounce as A. So it will be organ. Okay, you understand? And organ means organ. Okay. So what we learned? We learned that in Turkish language we use Latin alphabet, and there are 29 letters, and 8 of them are vowels. They are so much important for us. We are gonna study all of them. So in the first video we studied 6 letters and 2 of them were vowels. And this video we studied some other letters and we studied 3 vowels. I, O. So right now we know A, E, I, O. They are vowels and other ones are consonants. There is one letter which is yumuşak G and we never read that one, but we write. So when we see that one, before that there is a vowel and we read that vowel a little bit longer than normal, right? So let's revise everything that we learned. FABRİKA, FABRİKA, GAZETE, G, gazete. Yumuşak G, we don't read. AÇ. HOKEY, HOKEY. IŞIK, ışık. İNSAN, insan. JAKUZİ, jacuzzi. Kebap, kebap. LAMBA, lamba. Makarna, makarna. NOEL, Noel. Organ, right? So thanks for watching, and if you like my video, please subscribe my channel, and if you have any question, make a comment, and I will try to explain. If you like the video, send a like, and teşekkürler means thank you. So see you on the next video.